Have you ever been out and about and met the ideal prospect, but you were just tongue-tied and really didn't know what to say and how to engage that person? Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you the perfect script on how to get that person's information. So stay tuned. Hello, my friend. My name is PEtrovick, and for the past 20 plus years, I've been teaching, coaching, and training people how to generate income from home. That means getting leads. That means making sales. That means recruiting people into their primary business. I've talked to literally hundreds of thousands of people over my 20 plus year career. I did a lot of it in the cold market. And in that period, I learned very, very quickly on how to connect with people. I recently did a survey with my list of followers, and I asked the question of what is one of the biggest challenges you face? Probably the biggest response is, I just don't know what to say or how to say it because I get tongue-tied. I had a great prospect and I feel like I blew it. Well, first, let me tell you, when you're looking for what to say when you're prospecting, there is no magic script. You cannot say the right thing to the wrong person. You just can't. So what you really have to do is you have to focus on the person, what you see in them, and you have to see if there's a fit. Does that kind of make sense? So one of the great questions that I've learned to ask over the years is simply this. Hey, Mary, just curious, do you keep your options open to generate some extra income? And you pause. The key language there is just curious. So if you just say that, and then you say, are you open? That's 2/3 of the formula right there. Just curious, are you open? Because the person, if they are interested and if they are open, they're going to respond positively. Now, depending on how you deliver that message, it might get a little awkward. So let me give you the third component of that formula. So it's just curious and are you open? The third component, which is probably a pressure relief valve, if you will. This separates you from the hypey people. If not, no big deal. So remember this, when you're thinking about what do you say when you're prospecting, ask them, hey, just curious, are you open to a side project that may not interfere with what you're currently doing? If you are, great. If not, no big deal. Something like that. So if you are at a restaurant, you've had great service, the wait person has incredible energy, smiles, you kind of feel that connection, see the potential in that person. So you say, hey Tom, thanks for the amazing service. Just curious, do you ever keep yourself open to generate some extra income? If you are, I'd love to share something with you, but if not, no big deal. What's he going to say? Well, if he's open, he's going to say, yeah. Then what you say, and this is really important, is you don't try to tell him about it. You kind of want to be in a little hurry to get out of there. You say, hey, look, give me your contact information. I'll shoot you over some information. And if it's a fit, great. If not, no big deal. We can just go our separate ways. So again, when you're out and about talking to people and prospecting, probably the number one thing I will tell you that you shouldn't do is don't be a weirdo. It's simple, I know, and I say it over and over and over again. Whether you're building on Facebook or whether you're building online or on some other social media platform or out and about at a football game or a kids event, don't be a weirdo. Make it casual. Make it part of the organic conversation in the environment that you're in. But remember the formula. You want to ask people if they're open. That's step number one. Okay, ask them if they're open. You want to find out if they are looking for a way to generate some extra income, have more time, have more money to buy sporting equipment for people. The segue to that statement is just curious. Just curious. So test that out today. Test it out this week and leave me a comment below and let me know if it worked for you or if you got into any stumbling blocks. So 3 phases really of the conversation when you're prospecting for your network marketing business or home-based businesses. Just curious. Are you open? And if not, no big deal. You want to give people an easy exit. Hopefully this makes sense to you. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at the lower right-hand corner. I would love to, hear from you. I love serving my community, my tribe, if you will, helping you get unstuck where you are stuck. If this has been helpful for you, please leave me a positive comment and hit the like button and share it with some of your friends. If you want to hear a topic that we haven't discussed in a while, or a topic that you're dealing with right now, or a team member is dealing with right now when it comes to prospecting and recruiting, please leave that comment below. This network marketing profession has given me my life back. I absolutely love it. It will change your life if you let it, my friend. Make no mistake about it. But you have to master some basic language skills. And in a future video, I'll talk more about how do you prospect effectively on Facebook without being a spammer. There's like billions, almost 2 billion people now on Facebook. So nobody ever has an excuse of not having people to talk to. The awkward part is, what to say when you're prospecting. That's the most important thing. So cold market, face-to-face, you're talking to somebody that you might know. It's just curious. Are you open? It's no big deal if you're not interested. So it's an oh, by the way conversation, right? Hopefully this makes sense to you and has been of value to you. Again, if you like it, hit the like button. If you saw value, share it with your friends on social media. If you have any questions, please leave those comments below. Until next time, remember this, my friend, you have a choice. So make it a better than terrific day and a prosperous one. Bye-bye for now.